Yes, if you are the lovers of banga soup, oh my god, carry your jigodo. Let's make this banga soup together. This Delta style of banga is giving. Look at the face of this banga soup. Yes, this is what I'm going to use to make this banga soup. Shaki pomo. Look at how the face of pomo is. Look at the goat leg and also the storefish. You know say if you dey make your banga soup like this, orishi need to dey inside. So I also use roasted chicken. Here is the main banga. Look at what I'm going to use. Look at the face of everything. Orishi must dey inside though. Now I'm start preparing my banga soup. Yes, first of all I add my roasted chicken, my shake, goat leg, my pomo, and also the store fish. Okay, this is how I'm preparing this Delta style of banga. And I put my onions and also put my fresh pepper. Adding fresh pepper, especially when you want to steam your meat, is going to give it a good flavor. So I'm going to add a little water to steam the meat. I am putting my maggi, sauce, all the things that I needed to use it to steam the meat. That is what I'm putting right now. I also add normal grounded pepper to make it ram together, in case if the fresh pepper I put did not come out, this one will make it come out. I'm not the girl you used to know. Who are you asking to come back home? I'm opening my banga. Look at the face of this banga. I so much love this banga because it looks fresh, like original one from the home. So I noticed that this pot is very small. It cannot contain the soup. I have to turn it to the big pot. To put my banga after I have noticed that the meat have done, everything has been well cooked, so I have to put my banga soup. As you can see, I am turning the banga, mixing everything together to make sure that everything ran together. Look at the face of this banga soup. This face of this banga soup is really giving. What do you think? I wanted to use saint leaf. I was just gazing. I said, okay, let me use bitter, leaf. I was just like, oh, which one I'm going to use. So later, I now use bitter leaf. I just, put a little bitter leaf on top of it to make it look at the face of this banga soup. What do you think? Let me know in a comment section, and don't forget to follow this page. You are going to learn a lot. You are going to enjoy. Feel your eyes. I love you guys. Bye.